If you lack patience, you surely wouldn't last a day here. The rugged, muddy roads seem unsuitable for any vehicle. Yet for the loggers, these are merely challenges to overcome. With their rudimentary trucks loaded with tens of cubic meters of timber, they steadily push through every treacherous meter of land. They face countless difficult situations, each step a lesson in perseverance and ingenuity. The hardworking, resilient people here are truly admirable, not only for conquering the terrain, but also for showcasing their indomitable spirit amidst the harshness of nature.